I've got a question for you. Are you a 44mm push fit pole user? Well, if you are, we've got the perfect end tool package for you. This package comes with our crevice tool. Now this is ideal for tight access gutter cleaning projects. It also comes with our dirt breaker end tool, which is great for breaking down turf and deep rooted blockages. Our daily end tool. This is your regular gutter cleaning end tool, and it has this wide entry point to allow for easy debris suction. Our round brush to brush away dirt or debris in small spaces, and even to allow you to do internal high-rise cleaning as well. Our flexi neck tool holders for reaching difficult gutter angles, and then finally our adapter for use alongside the crevice tool, so it just fits in there. This package is the perfect solution for replacing worn out tools or enhancing your cleaning equipment with those additional extras.